Hey, this is Jerry here. Just getting my coffee in so I can get ready to do my presents. Alright, so check it out. Got these three HBuds headsets, waterproof, Bluetooth. Yeah, they're kind of cool. Okay, so I purchased this one here, this red set first, just to check it out and see how good they are. And when I tried them, they blew my mind away. For the price here, I picked these ones up for a little bit over $30 on a sale, and they're IPX7 waterproof. So what I'm gonna do, actually, I can't wait. I gotta open these other ones here that I got. So just gotta see them. These are the white pair. So what I'll do, let me just take it out for you here. Those are the extra pieces it comes with. These are the buds here. So those are the white ones. Let's see. Alright, getting in the Christmas spirit here. These are the black ones. These I'm going to give to my son. He's 17 and he loves stuff like this, just like his dad, like me. So same thing. Back here, these are the black ones. So right here, I'll show you. Built-in microphone. Multi-point, meaning you can connect it to more than two devices. It's got the voice prompt, like some of the name brands, popular headphones out there. But the best thing about this one is right there. Let's see if you can see it. Sweat-proof. The focus is off here. There we go. Sweat-proof. So it's got a cool box. It's easy to wrap up. Oh yeah, so the other good thing about these ones are 9 hours of playtime. AptiveX technology there, noise cancellation. Let's see here. This is the box. Yeah, so kind of cool. Pick them up for cheap. You get a good deal now on Amazon. Right now, for these here, you buy 5 and get a discount somehow. Check it out when you go to the Amazon website. And these again are original set I bought. Now I've used these a couple times myself here at work. I bought another set to take home and leave it at home. So I just love this item, guys. It's really a good product at a really good price. You know, if you want to do the Beats or even like the JBL headphones, this is very comparable to those. Especially for the price, can't beat it. So, alright. There you go, guys. HBuds. Check them out on Amazon. They're amazing. Merry Christmas.